Welcome back to Minute of Mindfulness. Today we'll explore journaling for mental clarity. Meet David. With a busy schedule and lots on his mind, he often feels anxious and unclear about his thoughts. Journaling can be a powerful tool for mental clarity. It helps to organize your thoughts, process emotions, and gain insights into your experiences. Writing regularly can enhance self-awareness and reduce stress. Here are 3 effective journaling techniques to get you started. First, stream of consciousness. Write freely without worrying about grammar or structure. Let your thoughts flow onto the page for 5-10 minutes. Second, gratitude journaling. List 3 things you're grateful for each day. This practice can shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life. And third, reflective questions. Ask yourself questions like, what did I learn today? Or, how did I feel in this situation? And write down your responses to gain deeper insights. By incorporating journaling into his routine, David finds mental clarity and a sense of calm. Remember, journaling is a personal journey, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Join us for more moments of growth. Start your journaling journey today. Like, subscribe, and share your favorite journaling techniques in the comments below.